Hi students. So today welcome to all of you in this class. So we are going to study about the food today. So what is the food and what does it come from? Let's discuss. Let's start our class. First, what is food? So this is the very important thing for us. You already know that everyone needs food. Everyone needs food. We are eating food every day, whatever food it may be. So why does we eat food every day? Because we want to get some energy, and why we want energy just to do our daily work. So energy is needed for everything. Whatever you are doing, just suppose I am holding this jug and talking to you in front of this camera and everything. Whatever I am doing now, I am walking, I am writing, so energy is needed. If I have not energy, suppose you have to today I have not taken any food, so I just don't feel like to write, just feel like to do anything. So energy is needed. Okay, so let's start. So the thing is food. What does it come from? Where does it come from? Where does it come from? So the food is actually come from the two main things. That is, the first one is plant and second thing is animal. So the food we are getting, whether it will come from the plant or it will come from the animal. Suppose plant. So how do we get food from the plant? Like we are eating rice every day in our area. So rice is first cultivated in the land, then we get it. Suppose dal or pulses. What is called it? Pulses. Pulses is also we are eating in our daily life to get protein. We get most of the protein from the pulses. Then vegetables, you can consider any vegetables. So all the vegetables are plant origin. So all these things come from the plant. And what are the food that we are getting from the animal? Like egg. Egg is a egg. Then meat. Like fish. These are the things that we are getting from the animal. Milk also. Milk we are getting from the animal. Milk products. What are the milk? Milk products. What are the milk products? Milk products. Okay, milk products. The milk products are cheese, curd. These are the milk products. Ghee, all the things we are getting from plants. So how do plants make their food? We have to consider this also. So plant can make their own food. Plant can make their own food by themselves. By process called photosynthesis. And what is photosynthesis? This is a process which is used by the plant to make their own food. And whatever food they prepare by the process of photosynthesis, that is carbohydrate. Or you can call it starch as well. Starch is a form of carbohydrate. So this food eaten by us or all the animals. You already know that the human being also one kind of animal. We were also one kind of animal in the past. So the plants have more contribution towards the food, whatever we are eating right now. And the main thing behind this is plants are able to make their own food just Because of sun. Because of sun. And sun is the that's why I call it that sun is the ultimate source of energy. Ultimate source of energy. Okay, we all know, we are studying this from our primary classes. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. Just because, just think that if the sun was not there, then can this human being, can this life exist on Earth? No, it is not possible. If the sun is not there, then this life will not exist. Okay, just because of sun, the plants are able to make their own food. Okay, this is the one thing. Then we are heading towards the different parts of the plants. Okay, just wait. I have to erase it on. Yes. 1 second. Then different parts of plants. Different parts of plants. So, what are the parts of the plant that are used as food, that we are eating as food? Like, suppose leaves. Okay, we are eating leaves as vegetables. Like, spinach and moringa. Then what we call radish. The leaves of this moringa, radish, spinach are used as vegetables. And what are the next? Sometimes we eat flowers, sometimes we eat leaves, sometimes we eat roots, sometimes we even eat the seed of the plants. So which flower is used as vegetables? Like you must all know about the pumpkin flower. We use this as we use this flower to make a very good dish. Okay. Then the moringa flower also is a vegetable. Then roots, the plant roots also, like the radish. Okay, this is one kind of root. Carrot. Okay, these are the different kinds of fruit that we are eating in our daily life as vegetables. And seeds also. Which seeds we are eating? Let's consider like pumpkin seeds. Okay, pumpkin seed. It is said that like pumpkin seed is very proteinaceous. Pumpkin seeds, and it's tasted good also. So these are the different parts of the plant that are used as food by us. Okay. Then we are going to discuss about the next topic. This plant, different parts of the plant. We all know that in the leaves only, the plants make their food in the leaves. And this is known as the kitchen of the plant. Leaves of the kitchen of the plant. Okay. And how flower is made? Flower is formed made by fertilization, by the process of fertilization. This is very desirable, very requirement, like a very needed process. It must be happen to make the flower form. Okay. Then the root flower, the root is it helps in anchorage of minerals and water. Okay. If the roots are not there in the plant, then how can plant absorb the water and different nutrients for themselves, for their development? Okay. Then seeds. From seeds we get plants, we get a new plant. insects and the soil, and after adding water, then the seeds become germinated, and then the new germinating seed will get converted into a sapling, and the sapling again converted into a new plant, big plant. Okay, so these are the things that we need to discuss about the different parts of the plants and their uses. Okay, then let's heading towards the new topic. What is that? That is different parts of the different type of organisms. So different types of organisms. How many types of organisms are there? So we all know that there are 3 types of organisms are there. And what are they? The first one is herbivores. Second one is carnivores. And third one is herbivore, carnivore, and omnivores. So the animals or organisms feeding on plants. What plant parts? Some plants are known as herbivores and herbivores. Okay. Then the carnivores. Who are the carnivores? Who feed on the organisms, who feed on animals. Okay. Who are the herbivorous animals, like the rabbits. The examples are there. Okay. Rabbits and deer, cow. These are the organisms. Who are the carnivorous organisms? The examples are like tiger, lion. Have you ever seen the tiger is eating grass? No, we never seen, because they are carnivorous animals. That's why. Then the omnivores. Who are the omnivores? We almost. We means human beings. It's the example of omnivores. Why? Because the organisms which feed on both plants. Plants and animals. They are known as omnivores. And human being is the example. Cat also. Let's say cat. Okay, then dog. They are also sometimes eat both things. So this is the end of the topic of the different type of organism. Then we move to another topic. What is the next topic? Just wait. Okay, there is some keywords also in this chapter, like edible. What is edible? We will discuss about this keywords later. And okay, just wait. What are the main thing? Okay, so main thing is we first discuss about the honey. Okay, then we will discuss about the keywords. Honey. So how honey is made? What does it made? How does it come from? How does it came from? And how it is formed? How it is formed? Who can make this? Okay, who made honey? Actually, honey is made by whom? So these are the questions, of course, coming into our mind. First thing is honey. Honey is the sweet juice. What is the sweet juice? Sweet juices. Jelly-like substance. Okay, sweet jelly-like substance. So it is the flowers. It is made by the flowers. Made by the use of the flowers. So you can say that bee. We almost know bee. Bee, honey bee. We can say right. Honey bee made the honey. And honey bee, what they do? Honey bee collects what? Nectar. Collects the nectar. What is the nectar? Nectar is the sweet juice of the flowers. Sweet juices of the flowers. They collect nectars and store it. Where it can be stored? Store it in the beehive. It is called beehive. Okay, so this sweet juice available to us by the honeybee, one type of insect, and it is very honeybee. Honeybee is very nutritious substance. Nutritious. Okay, very nutritious substance. Nutritious and used as medicine also. Used as medicine also. We use this as medicine also. Okay, so edible means can be eaten. Can be eaten. We can eat. Whatever we can eat is known as edible. Then sprouted seeds. We have almost heard about the sprouting process. What is sprouted seeds? Suppose if we kept the what is a moong. Okay, if we keep the moong, first we wash it in the water, then we cover this with a cloth and we store it for 1 day. Okay, then what happens? The seeds we can see that the seeds are germinating after 1 to 2 days. Okay, so that is called sprouted seeds, germinating seeds. These are the germinating seeds, and this is also very nutritious, very nutritious thing, very nutritious. Okay, rich with vitamin. Okay, this is the thing that we have to discuss about it. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video if you want to. Okay, just have a good day. Bye.